Hi, Arizona families. My name is Skip. I'm the General Manager of Sales at Shasta Pools. And we want to make sure you know about our 3 design centers that you can come and visit in person or virtually through an online meeting. But let us show you some of the highlights that we have that you'll see when you come in. So there is a little something that makes our Norterra location in North Phoenix unique. We call it the Reveal Room. This is an opportunity where we have a lot of fun showing families what their backyard can look like as though they were in the backyard. We've got faux turf on the ground, stars in the sky, and patio furniture. One of our designers would sit here with you as a family, and we think that this visual is an absolute key to making sure that you have a peace of mind before anyone ever breaks ground.